Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, remember that this is based on my personal experience using this tool. Today, we're taking a look at Messari, a powerful platform found at Messari.io. This website provides a wealth of information and resources for navigating the often complex world of cryptocurrency. Messari acts as a comprehensive data aggregator, bringing together market data, news, research reports, and regulatory information all in one accessible location. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or just starting your journey, Messari can be an invaluable tool. One of Messari's key strengths is its in-depth asset profiles. These profiles offer a deep dive into individual cryptocurrencies, covering everything from tokenomics and team backgrounds to market performance and future roadmaps. This detailed information empowers users to make informed investment decisions based on solid research. Beyond the asset profiles, Messari offers a range of other valuable features. Market data is readily available, providing real-time insights into price movements, trading volume, and market capitalization. The news section keeps users updated on the latest developments in the crypto space, while the research section offers in-depth reports and analyses on emerging trends and market dynamics. Furthermore, Messari's regulatory resources help users stay informed about the evolving legal and regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies. Navigating the platform is surprisingly intuitive. The interface is clean and well-organized, making it easy to find the information you need. Whether you're searching for specific data points, exploring new projects, or keeping up with industry news, Messari provides a user-friendly experience. In summary, Messari.io offers a robust suite of tools and resources for anyone interested in the cryptocurrency market. From comprehensive asset profiles and up-to-the-minute market data to insightful research and regulatory updates, Messari empowers users with the knowledge they need to navigate the dynamic world of digital assets. Be sure to check it out and let me know what you think in the comments below.